Hey guys, so quick video how you can possibly reset the LG dishwasher. So to reset it, it's pretty simple. What you need to do, you just want to power off a dishwasher and leave it unplugged for a few minutes, and then you just want to plug it back in. If you can get to the core, then you just want to turn off the circuit breaker for like 10 minutes and then just turn on the circuit breaker. This is the one thing that you want to do, and you want to run a maintenance cycle with dishwasher cleaner to clean out any residual buildup in the drainage system. So this is how you're going to actually do it and how it's possible to be done. Completely unplug it and plug it back in. And yeah. So hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.